Hello YouTubes, Rigger again. It's Saturday 12th of August 2017. As you can see, it's another scorchingly beautiful summer's day here in Yorkshire. Running by a bike just to ride it in sunshine. I've got a bike to ride it to love it. So I've just had a quick blast down the M18, M62. I've just come off near Goole. I'm not quite sure where I'm heading, to be perfectly honest with you. I'm just having a ride out. We'll see where we end up. I do like this road. Unfortunately, they do have a lot of speed traps on this road round here because they know it's a popular run. It's the main run through to Brid. Just excuse me a minute. Yeah, it's the main run through to Brid. So the Ben's dead ahead. Let's go. No, only joking. Too many of them big bloody things around here for me. And it's been raining, so roads are a bit wet and a bit slippery. Nice bike. So I don't think I'll head to Brid. I'm not really bothered about Brid. Not quite sure where I might end up. I wish bugs had stopped splattering all over my visor. Makes you wish it'd rain again to clear your visor. Nah, I'm only joking. So yeah, this area where I'm in now, this is Adventures with Woody, Graham's territory around here. So I was in Skeggy Cruiser's territory yesterday, and I'm in Adventures with Woody today. I don't know what he's fannying about. So yeah, I'll catch you in a bit, let you know where I'm heading, if I can decide. Hello YouTubes. I've decided where I'm heading. I'm going to head out to East Coast Motorcycles at Hutton Cranzik. I don't want to say that when you've had too many beers. Yeah, I was just driving a ride round and I thought, why not? I've never been. I've actually seen, like I say, Adventures of Woody, or Adventures with Woody, Graham. He's been there a few times and recommends it, so I'm just having a run out up there. It's sun shining at the minute, but it's absolutely grey all the way around, so if it rains I've got my leathers on. So we'll see. Alright, catch you in a bit. Well, it says I'm about 10 minutes, 11 minutes away. I've just come into this village. What a stunning church that is. Must be a lovely little place. I'm not actually sure where I am. I haven't got a chance to look down at my sat nav yet. Should do really, because I'm coming up to a corner. But what a beautiful church. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Catch you in a bit. You've got to love sat navs. I've no idea where this is sending me, and I think it's finding all littlest back roads it can find. Sure that you might hear me a bit better. But it says I'm about 7 minutes away. But it is nice getting off at main roads, but it's even nicer if you know where you're heading. wonder if this camera's picking that darkness up. That's one Stormer Brewing coming this way. It's a lovely little road though, but it's nice in summer. Alright, catch you in a bit when I'm getting in there. Got about 6 minutes left. Google Maps don't plan for this, do they? And he's on his phone. Suppose it's alright, use red diesel. Drive with your phone. So we're just on the ride in now, and SatNav now says I'm about a minute away. We are riding into these black clouds, and Drift probably ain't picking this up, but you can actually see the rain coming down in there. And here we are, Hunton Cranswick, so I'm hoping not to be far away. I don't know why the SatNav sent me that way around, because it was a lot quicker if I'd have stuck to the main roads, but hey, Google Maps, same as anything to do with Google, they think they know best. So it says it should be round here somewhere, but we shall see. In fact, if I remember rightly, seeing Graham's videos, it's here. There she goes. Oh, it's packed full. Oh dear, where am I going to park? No, the Yorkshire Bikers. Watch it be shut. It's just my luck. Oh, it says open. I think I'll park her here. She'll do. So yeah, catch you in a bit, tubes. It's a little bit different, this tubes. Just driven through all that rain, and then you come across picturesque little places like this. Beautiful little village. Stunning. I just had to stop and clean my visor and change my battery. Okay, bye. How high up are we? Wow. Look at me, Ma, I'm on top of the world. I dare say this drift isn't picking any of this up. Here we are at South Cave. Nice Ferrari. Just trying to get that church. So hello YouTubes, just made it back, nearly 100-mile round trip. I was thinking on the motorway, I've never actually reviewed this little girl and let you know what it is really, have I? So it's a 54 plate, 2004 Kawasaki ER500. It's only a baby. First big bike, I suppose you could say. You can tell it's windy, all the tank bag's blown off. You'd say it's a big bike. It's a big bike to me, and it's my first one. And what can I say about it? Absolutely fantastic. I love her. She's not the fastest thing out there. Back brakes are awful on them. I think everybody who's ever had one of these will agree that the back brakes are terrible. And they are. They are. It's caught me out once or twice. Yeah. I don't really know what else I can say. Like I say, it's not the fastest thing out there in the world. I think the next one that I'll have will be its bigger brother or her bigger sister, whichever way you want to put it, which will be an ER6, which is a 650cc. Oh, let me just show you this Scotch egg that I picked up while I've been out as well from East Coast Motorcycles. It survived the rain. Look at this. Ah. You have to excuse the rubbish that somebody's thrown down there. It is Doncaster. That's brilliant. That. I can't wait to tuck into that. Tea time. Yeah, so that's it. So I just thought I'd introduce Thunder to you. Is she still on? That's why she's thunder. Yeah, little girl's done everything that I ask her to do. She'll sit at 80 mile an hour plodding up and down motorways all day. And she's comfy little bike, 168 mile yesterday. Longest run I've done is 240 something, I think it was, on this bike, but without this camera, so I couldn't record it. So yeah, I love it to bits. Right, catch you later, tubes. Bye bye.